Hello guys, my name is Lucas Marin and I'm here to help you onboard on your first experience of BlackArrow Equities. Okay, so I'm here to help you guys to configure all the platform and how you will be able to, in 1 to 5 minutes, set up your desktop solution for trading in US equities. Okay, so first I'm gonna help you set up the main windows that we should have here. First, we can go to charts, new chart, and you have this window coming out here. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 of them just to set up easily for you. Simple as that. And then we can go to times and sales. So I'm gonna set up here a place where we can put and see all the orders that will be executed. Okay, now another one around here. Now we go to the market depth. Okay, so now you can see the times and sales solution. Let me change the stock here for a stock that is moving. Okay, 2 minutes, EMNN. So you can see all the tickers, all the movement, EMNN. Here on this first version of the video that we are doing, you're seeing only the Nasdaq basic market data. So you only see one level of the market depth, so basically the bid and ask for each stock. Okay, so I'm setting up 2 different visualization spaces for you to be able to also link one of them together. So for example, I'm gonna link this one as a link 1, this one as link 1, and this one as link 1. So if I change here to Tesla, it will change for all of the stocks. Okay, so let me do this with the second one. Link 2, link 2, and I lost the other link 2. Okay, so now that we have set up this, we have other features that are really important for a US stock trader. So for example, the ranking. So we have the Nasdaq ranking here that you can see all the stocks that are moving today. So you can definitely and easily select what you want and organize your trading strategies. So here you can see the top 20 risers, the top 20 fallers, the top 20 financial assets, but the main ones that we should be using are these ones. Okay, we also have the watch list. A watch list is basically a place where you can select the stocks that you want to see. It's different from the ranking, which basically provides you the biggest movers of the day. Here you can have any stock that you want. Here I'm selecting Nasdaq stocks. You have nice stocks all over the place. Okay, so here are some examples for you to have on the watch list. What else? We also have one of the most important tools for equities trader, especially the small caps trader, is the short locate. It's where you can place and select orders for locating shares to short. Okay, so it's basically a solution that you can simply select and place any order locates here. Okay, so I'm just adjusting all the features, then all the windows that I brought up, so it's gonna be easier for you to manage in the future. And more here. This one is for the chart below. So for example, now I wanna click on this stock that is moving, works, and now it's gonna be all over here, so you can see all the information that you want. In one click, you can see and even place trades. One thing that is missing, it's the order list. So you can basically see all the orders that you've been placing during the day or you will place during the day. Okay, I that's here it's a place I'm gonna propose to be, so you can see all the market data from this stock, and also you can place and select the orders around here. Okay, another nice feature, it's the portfolio. With the portfolio, you can see all the stocks that are already in your portfolio. So for now, I have these stocks here in my portfolio that I'm basically following this. So you can see that that's the P&L open today. Actually this is the P&L for today. This is the open P&L for the number of days that I've been holding these stocks. So you can basically, you can even move whatever you want here to be really simple. Like for example, I don't want to see the position value, I just want to see the P&Ls. So there we go. So we have this, right? Simple, way simple, and you can place it wherever you want, like for example around here. So you have a lot of features that you can place around and use whatever you want. Okay, so these I would say are the main ones for any stock trader. So you can see whatever is moving. So I want to see this one, which is moving a lot, IMNN. This stock, IMNN, it moves around, so you can place orders. So now I'm gonna place a single order here, just for example, 100 shares. I can place by limit, by market. So now that's pretty much it that you can see. And for example, I'm gonna give you an example how to locate shares. So you can go here, imagine you want to see this stock, IMN. If I want to allocate shares, you can place here the order, and you see the amount of shares that you are trying to locate. This is the price, send, and now you located the shares. As you can see, and it's already selected. Okay, you can also see your own locates whenever you do it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So for now, we have all the strategy set up. Is a first desktop setup for you to be able to place orders, and we will cover placing orders in BlackArrow in a different video. Okay, thank you, and to the next one.